Hi guys! Welcome back. Ngayon guys, pupunta po kami ngayon sa Al-Ain Adventure. Ngayon guys, mayroon kaming trip ngayon sa aming company. Kaya ito mga kasamahan ko, pinaantay kami pick up of course, yung aking kasama. Hello! Hi ka naman dyan. Diba? Ngayon kasi naantay namin yung mga iba naming kasamahan guys. Kaya ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano ang makikita nyo dun sa Al-Ain. Diba malayo actually guys. Magta-travel kami almost 2 hours ngayon. Magta-travel kami. Ang aga-aga naman nagising ngayon.
All came?
Kaya syempre.
Full
Yeah. Yan syempre yung mga namin. Maganda kasi paminsan-minsan kailangan natin mag-outing. Diba? Yan yung ating mga kasamahan. Actually, alam mo yun ba? Ilan lang kami, puro mga ibang lahing kasama namin. Takbo lang kami kabayan. Diba? Yung mga kasama namin.
Elite?
We are going to Al-Ain.
Sachin came, Sachin?
So, syempre, yung mga kasamahan ko doon sa likod. Okay, ang ingay nila guys.
Hello. Come on.
Hi.
Good morning.
Okay. Hi. Hello. Hi, Satya. Hi. Hello. Hi. Where's your boss?
Yeah, wasn't behind
No, your boss. Give it to him. Hi.
Arif, come on. Dance. Social video, come on.
Eight is done. Okay, next. 12, 23. 24 is not done. 24 is 34 is there. Okay. 27, 34. Okay. 40, 45 is there. 50 is there. 53 is there. 64 is here. 73 is here. Done. 50 रन हुआ है आपके लिए। आ जाओ इधर। 72, 76 is there. 80 and 86 done, guys. यार पे कुर्बान है सभी याली रहम वाली याली
Sir, 25 वाला?
हाँ 25.
Wow,
जल्दी जल्दी हुसैन भाई
Music! Okay, just friends.
सनी देओल को भी नहीं आता है उसे में फास्ट
Okay, just
प्राइस पैसे लेके जाओ भाई पैसे पैसे क्लैप एवरीवन क्लैप प्लीज टाइम हो गया
हमको जैसा उसका वन लाइन में आ गया अगली साइड जैसे वन लाइन क्लियर है
Yes, nanalo siya. First game.
for you.
Happy birthday from our side. Okay, settle down guys. Next number is coming. So early 5 is done now. Early 5 is finished. No one will announce
Mananalo
for
na
early
first
5.
game. Talo kami dalawa. Wala kaming swerte.
Five done.
Wala kaming
Any number
swerte
five.
ngayon.
In one ticket, any number 5. Fastest 5.
Nakakatawa kasi nga habang
Okay, next number guys. Bashir bhai, settle down please. Next number.
Dito na kami sa bundok ng Kuala lang.
Guys, look at the mountains.
Sa bundok ng Kuala lang na kami kumain. Sa bundok ng Kuala lang. Bundok ng ano yan? Charot lang.
All numbers were there, right?
Naniwala ka na sa amin.
I don't know how it came. Fun?
Dito na ng bundok. Later? Oo. Sa hope. Mamaya.
Yüzüme namata her week फिर भी जहाँ से गुजरूं हर दम देखे मुंह से निकले जी हाथ जो तुम दिखा सुनने में आया है तुम मरती है हम पे मर के दिखा
Dito ba tayo? Yes.
आज तूफान
Dito na pala tayo. Na guys, nakarating na kami sa aming pupuntahan. Okay. Bang nagpipil up pa. Okay, ito yung paligid. Yan. Okay. Then, kailangan mo na pala tayo guys. Pag pumasok ka dito, kailangan mo na mag-fill up. Okay, ito yung paligid. Yan, yung may mga ano sila. Kanda. Halika na. Video, pen. Halika na dyan. So, we will go here. Okay. Tapos po kami ng ano po ng ano tawag yan yung handband. Kami ng handband. Ito, magbigyan mo na kami ng handband.
It might take longer. It's not like sometimes it takes 15 minutes actually for 2 rounds and a half.
Yan ang bibigay.
Aqua Island we can take 25 baht at a time.
Okay. Ayan na, ang gulo-gulo namin. Ang dami namin dito. Akin. That's,
only making for you only.
yes, video.
Join to everybody.
No, video. I want to make upload.
Oh.
Ay, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Nandito na po kami sa loob. What have you have? No, it's shoes, ate.
No, we're not eating that one.
No, this was one.
We cannot keep, no, we cannot keep inside the inside you need to keep, yes.
So, ready na kami papasok sa loob. Okay, naka-antay na lang kami.
Kano ba yung sa ganyan?
Lang? Oh? Hindi. Yung Crocs lang.
Ano yung ganito?
Oo. Ay, ganda lang. May sapatos. May chinelas. May chinelas, may sapatos dahil. Mamili lang. Kasi dito may mga paninda rin sila. Okay. So, nag-aantay-antay kami.
Let us introduce him now. Amin.
I will brief them inside.
You will brief inside.
We will have more space.
Ayan. Excited na sila maligo. Okay, yan yung aming instructor. Okay. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda siya dito, guys. Pero mainit. Okay. Yan. Ang ganda. Ah, yan pala. Yan ba? Ayan na, mainit dyan. Ay, mainit. It's hot. Let's go, sir.
Half an hour. 25 minutes. Yes, Mr. Amit. Yeah, start.
Hi everyone.
Yes.
Welcome to Ride Adventure. So I hope you will have a great fun day and you will enjoy the adventure. So first of all, as you are a bit late, so we will try to be faster. That's our changing routes. You just change, keep your activity on. Then we'll be divided into groups and we will start with the activities. Either myself or one of our team will be monitoring your schedule. You missed the first hour, so we will continue as the schedule is. Then we'll try to squeeze that hour units at the end of the activities. And that should be 3:30 maybe for like here in this resort. So guys, schedule that we are right guys? Let's change fast, then we'll
Ano daw?
Change daw nga tayo, na-stress ako kain.
Yung pagkain, lunch. Kaya change outfit na daw. Change out. Mainit. Ay, saan? Bakit ano? Akala ko may diving. Akala ko may sliding. Wala naman ako.
Ano ba yun? Oh, doon, daming sliding doon. Oh, ayan oh.
Hindi. Parang ano ba?
And more guys, we can keep 10, I think. Huh? Let's see. So girls, I'll give you. Arya.
गो ये पीछे ले जाओ अभी
अरे गिर मत जाना.
ओके